12-year-old boy who succumbed to injuries in Trelawny crash identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have released the identity of a 12-year-old boy who succumbed to injuries he sustained during a motor vehicle collision in Trelawny on Tuesday morning. The deceased has been identified as Ackerman Myrie of Appleton in St. James. Reports are that the crash occurred around 7:30 a.m. when two motor cars were traveling in opposite direction collided along the roadway. The driver of both vehicles along with the 12-year-old occupant of one of the vehicles sustained injuries and were taken to hospital where the boy succumbed to his injuries. At least one of the injured drivers have since been released from hospital. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.